Hey YouTube, so I'm going to show you how to get the power steering pump off your 22R engine. This is it right here, and it's attached to this bracket right here, which is attached to the head, and then it's got two other brackets attached to it right here and right down here. So there's only one way to get this off, because you can't get the bracket off. Well, I guess technically you could get the bracket off if you took this guy off with it, and then took that bolt off, that bolt off, that bolt off, and this bolt off, and then you could get the entire assembly off. But if you just want to take the oil pump off, you can take this bolt out, this bolt out, this bolt out, and that bolt out. I've already got them coming out because I've already done this once. And there's that guy. Take this one off. This guy off. Alright, and then with those 4 bolts, you kind of slide it through the bottom, just twist it out. There you have it. There you go, power steering pump. Now, you want to take the assembly off. So I said there's 3 brackets. 1, 2, right in here, and then the main one. So you got these guys. Take this off.